In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you make those necessary text edits seamlessly. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to access your Webflow account. If you've already got an account, go ahead and search for Webflow on your preferred search engine. You'll see an option to log in or, if you're new, to sign up. Follow the prompts provided, which will guide you through either signing up for a new account or logging into an existing one. This process is quite straightforward, and in no time, you'll be entering the Webflow dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the website you want to edit. You'll see a list of your sites if you have multiple projects. Simply click on the site of your choice to open it up, leading you directly into the designer mode, where all the magic happens. The next step is to identify the text element you want to modify. Webflow presents a visual interface, so all the elements are easily selectable on your design canvas. Click directly on the text element that requires editing. If you've selected correctly, it should be highlighted, indicating it's ready for your adjustments. Now, let's dive into the editing part. If you're dealing with standard text elements, there are two easy ways to start revising the text. You can double-click on the text or simply select it and press Enter to activate the editing mode. This functionality is specifically set up for swift changes to placeholder text or existing content. On the other hand, for more complex edits involving rich content, Webflow provides a rich text block element. Double-clicking the rich text element will open the rich text editor, allowing for more detailed modifications. This is particularly useful for blog posts or any content requiring a structured format. Once you're in the editing mode, type in the new text you wish to display. Webflow makes it user-friendly by providing formatting options like bold and italics if they're available, enhancing the presentation of your text. These options usually appear at the top of your editing field or as a floating toolbar, making the formatting process intuitive and uncomplicated. After finishing your edits, you'll need to save them. Simply click outside the text element or press Enter. And just like that, your modifications are saved. This effortless step confirms the changes you made are now live in your design. And there you have it, a complete text editing process in Webflow, wrapped up neatly in 5 minutes or less. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in making text edits in Webflow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!